lesson, we are looking at writing electronic configuration. If it's your first time to be in this channel, please subscribe, like, comment, share these videos, and don't forget to hit the notification bell. So, what you need to know before you are able to write electronic configuration of an element. So here we have electronic configuration of elements. You should have the knowledge of atomic structure, because electronic configuration means how the electrons are arranged within the shells around the nucleus of an atom. Now, take for example an atom of sodium. An atom of sodium. Sodium is Na. An atom of sodium. Sodium has electronic configuration, and actually we have atomic number. Atomic number 11. And don't forget that atomic number is the same as the number of electrons, and atomic number is defined as the number of protons in the nucleus of an atom. So we shall have the atom that is for sodium. The first shell contains a maximum of 2 electrons. The crosses here are denoting our electrons. So the first shell will be having 2 electrons. The second shell takes a maximum of 8 electrons. So you first fill each one at a time. One at a time. Then, how many are these now? We are having 2 inside, then we have 4. Those ones are 6, meaning we are continuing. Another one. So here we shall be having the electrons paired. Now. So how many do we remain with? 8 plus 2 of the innermost shell. We have 10, so you remain with 1. Then you have the last one. 1. So, this is how the electrons are arranged in an atom of sodium. Now, how do you write the electronic configuration? We are looking at the shells. The innermost shell has how many electrons? 2 electrons. The next shell has got how many electrons? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So there are 8 electrons. The outermost shell has got how many electrons? Check. We got only 1 electron. Now, to write the electronic configuration, you are going to have this. You start with the innermost shell, which is having 2 electrons, then go to the next shell, which is the second shell. It is having 8 electrons, then go to the outermost shell. It is having 1 electron. It implies that the electronic configuration of sodium is 2 to 8 to 1. This one means the 2 electrons are in the innermost shell, then the 8 electrons are in the next shell, then the last shell has got 1 electron. And don't forget that the outermost shell tells us the group to which the element belongs, and also it gives us the valency of that element. So we have what we call valency. So the outermost shell here, we also call this one here the outermost shell. We call the electron is called valency electron, valence electron. So here, valency is the combining power of an element. So we are sticking still on how we can be writing electronic configurations. So let us look now from element 1 at least up to the 20th element of the periodic table. So we have, what do we have? We have the element, then we have the name, the symbol, then I have the electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. My first element is hydrogen. Hydrogen, the symbol is capital H. Then we have, atomic number. Good. Atomic number. And then I have electronic configuration. Electronic configuration. So, hydrogen has atomic number 1. The configuration will also be 1, because that one electron is on only one shell. The first shell has a maximum of 2 electrons, but hydrogen has got only 1 electron, so we shall only have 1 shell. So the next one is helium. Helium, that is He, atomic number 2. The electronic configuration is also 2. So all those 2 electrons are in one shell, the first shell. Let us go to the next element. The next element is lithium. Lithium, the symbol is Li, atomic number 3. The electronic configuration is 2 to 1. So it means lithium has got 2 shells. The first shell is having 2 electrons, then the outermost shell, which is the next shell, has got 1 electron. The next element we have is beryllium. Beryllium. That is Be. Atomic number 4. Electronic configuration of 2 to 2. So also carbon has got 2 shells. First shell having 2 electrons, and then the next shell having 2 electrons also. Element 5. Element 5, we are having boron. Having atomic number, the symbol is capital B. Atomic number we have is 5. So we have electronic configuration 2 to 3. Innermost shell, 2 electrons. Outermost shell, 3 electrons. The next element we are having is carbon. We are having carbon. The symbol is capital C. Atomic number is 6. Then we have electronic configuration of 2 to 4. That is carbon. The seventh element is the nitrogen. Symbol is capital N. The atomic number is 7. Electronic configuration is 2 to 5. Let us go to the eighth element. The eighth element is oxygen. What is the atomic number? The atomic number, the symbol is capital O. Atomic number is the 8. And then we have electronic configuration 2 to 6. The ninth one is the fluorine. Fluorine, that is capital F. Atomic number we have is still 9. Then we have electronic configuration is 2 to 7. We go to the 10th one. Our 10th element, the 10th element is the neon. Neon, that is Ne. Atomic number is 10. Electronic configuration is going to be the first shell we shall be having 2, then the outer one shall be 8. So from neon we reach now the maximum number of electrons that are contained in the next shell. So we go to 11. 11 is sodium. The symbol is Na. Atomic number is 11. Electronic configuration 281. That is sodium. The 12th one is magnesium. Magnesium is M, capital M, and then we have small g. Atomic number is 12. Electronic configuration is 2 to 8 to 2. So the innermost shell has got 2 electrons, the next shell has got 8 electrons, then the outermost shell has got 2 electrons. The 13th one is aluminium. Aluminium is capital L and capital S small. L, atomic number is 13. Electronic configuration is 2 to 8 to 3. The 14th one we have easy. The 14th one is silicon. Silicon symbol is Si. Atomic number 14. Electronic configuration is 2, 8 to 4. The 15th one is phosphorus. Phosphorus symbol is capital P. The atomic number is 15. Electronic configuration is 2 to 8 to 5. 16 element we have is the sulfur. Sulfur, that is capital S. We have 16, that is 2 to 8 to 6. And then we have the 17th one is chlorine. Chlorine is capital C small l. We have 17, that is 2 to 8 to 7. 18th one is argon. That is Ar. 18 atomic number, electronic configuration is 2 8 to 8. Again here, we have reached a maximum of 8 electrons for the next shell. Now let us look at the last two elements. So 19 is, we have potassium. Potassium is K. Atomic number 19. Electronic configuration 2 to 8 to 8 to 1. Then lastly, for the first 20 elements, we have is calcium. Calcium is capital C, then small a. Atomic number is 20. Then electronic configuration is 2 to 8 to 8 to 2. Still to remind us, the outermost shell gives us the valency electrons. So, the number of electrons in the outermost shell is the same as the valency of that element. And we call the outermost shell as the valence shell, where we have the valency electrons. And the number of the partitions here gives us the period to which the element belongs to, or the number of the shells. For example, in this case, we have 2 to 8 to 8. This element, argon, belongs to period 3 of the periodic table. Whereas, take for example, potassium, how many shells? 1, 2, 3, 4. So that one belongs to period 4 of the periodic table, but in group 1 of the periodic table, and then this one in group 2 of the periodic table. Thank you for watching this lesson. I wish you a blessed time.